How to download and install Microsoft Visio tools. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then search for Microsoft Customization tool. Now go to this center, admins app center. Select your architecture of your computer or your desktop. After that, in this Visio, simply drag down this button, select the volume license or the version that you prefer. Select all these like this. If you want any additional products as well, you can select it like this. And now all you have to do is click on next and then select installation, select export, and then a file will be completed after you've finished all the configuration and you will be able to download it. Now after downloading the file, simply install it into your device and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and